I'm going to show you a little bit today about the 5-monitor TV box that we've got, which is going to accompany the equipment sets that come to the mock hospitals. As you can see in front here, we have 5 stands that we're going to be mounting TVs on. There's a compartment behind these 5 stands that have got electronics, HDMI to HDMI and HDMI to DisplayPort, as well as the remotes and the power cables for the monitors. On the side, down low, you'll see a compartment. You can just pull on those latches, release, and inside of here there'll be totes with power strips for the TVs and also 50-foot extension cords. Behind this protector wall here, we've got 5 TVs, and you'll see they're mounted in different aspects, and the reason for that is because there are cutouts in each one of these sections, and the cutout is designed to host the plate that's on the rear of the TVs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these TVs out and show you how to mount the mounting plate to the back, and we're also going to set up one of the stands and show you how to put the TV with a mounting plate onto the stand. I'm going to remove the TV, place it over here on the top of this box. This top here fits on top of this. This takes 2 men to remove this. The top of the case probably weighs somewhere in the vicinity of 60 or 70 pounds. So when you do that, it's going to require 2 people to remove this top to get access to the TVs and the stands. So I put the TV here face down with a mounting plate up. I'm going to next remove one of the stands that the TVs mount on. So we're going to take it, put it on the ground, and then you can just pull these legs out. If they're not moving easily, then just loosen up this knob here and spread them out a pretty good distance so that you can give some stability to the TV. TV weighs about 30 pounds. Then tighten down that knob, good and snug. The next thing we'll do is we'll remove the cap that has the mounting plate that goes onto the mounting plate on the TV. Take that off, bring that over here, and make sure that this nut is open. Slip that underneath there, and then there's a little spring-loaded mounting clip here. You'll hear it when you push down. Now it's mounted. So you can kind of eyeball this, take this nut, tighten it down, sort of snug. That locks this mounting bracket to the mounting plate on the rear of the TV. The next thing we're going to do is take this, lift it up, and put it on top of the stand. So you lift that up, line the cap up with the top of the post, drop it down, snug that up a little bit. Now we're going to raise this up to eye level so that the audience, when they're viewing the information on the screen, will be able to see it at about a 5-foot level. So grasp this device, loosen this knob right here, and then you can raise it up, and you can see that there are holes in the pole here. Get it up to about as high as you want it. Slide that pin in. You can mount that or snug that knob down like that, and now we've got it up where it's about eye level. So one of the things that you'll need to address is a tilt and a list on the TVs on occasion. So you can see right now this one is tilting down, which is unacceptable. I'll show you how you straighten that out on the rear of the TV and the mounting bracket. You've got a knob here that, in this case, this one's loose. So all you do is you just straighten the TV out, take that knob, snug it down, and now the TV is straight. And on occasion, these things will list to the left or right. And generally, you can solve that problem with this knob here. Now, I'll exaggerate it here, and this would have the TV sitting low on this side and high on this side. And if we let go, this one, fortunately, it just sort of self-centers. But on occasion, you'll get these set up, and you'll need to loosen this knob, straighten out the TV, and then snug this knob up, and then you'll be able to keep the TV level with the floor. On the back of the TV, there are 3 HDMI ports, here, here, and here. HDMI 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to take this one just because it's easier to get to. I'm going to put the HDMI cable into HDMI port number 3. The other end of the cable, then you would connect it to either a laptop or an HDMI outlet on the med station or an anesthesia system. The power cable is over on the other side, and you'll see here that there's a little map that's rounded on this edge and it's flat on that edge, and that corresponds to the power cable. Put that in there, push that in, and we're ready to go. Okay, at the end of the demonstration of the mock hospital, to put the TV away in the box, all you have to do is loosen up this knob, take your power cords out, your HDMI cable out, stow those in the appropriate compartment in the TV box. This knob is loose, just lift it up. And find a table or some sort of surface that you can put the TV on. Grasp this cord on the bottom. It's spring loaded. So you pull it down, loosen up this knob like I didn't do. Now it's loose. You remove the plate, set that aside. You can take the TV, and with a mounting plate, there's cutouts in each position in the box. Put the mounting plate wherever the cutout is in the foam insert. In this case, it's like this. I'll just set that in, and that one's stowed away and ready to be packed up. Then you take the stand, you take it down, just lift up, pull the pin out. This knob is loose. Let this go down. Loosen this knob up here. Bring the feet in. Put the stand back in the box. And remember to put the mounting bracket on top. And we're set to go.